Hi everyone, this is my review of Milliput, the superfine white variety. Milliput comes in different varieties or colours. The original is this colour here. You can also get black and a turquoisey colour, I think, as well. But the white is really useful. It takes a little bit longer to cure, I found. And how you make it is you mix some of this material with this material, equal amounts, and mix it all together, push it into the shape that you want, and you let it cure. And so you can use it for fixing some china chips. You can maybe get some extra boulders or rubble with the black there. But if the color's not right, you can paint it, you can sand it, you can chop it, you can drill it. There are all sorts of things you can do. Now, I find that the white takes a little bit longer to cure. The fastest one is the ordinary Milliput, and the black is about the same, but it's a lot harder to mix. I think it's something to do with the dyes and the colors. Do wear gloves when you're doing it, because it does sort of, it's a bit smelly, a few chemicals there, so make sure you use gloves. Now what I do is I roll one tube into a long sort of snake, and then the other one, and then I twist them together, fold it over, twist it out again, fold it, twist it. That gives a really good mix. So Milliput, really useful. I use it for all sorts of things. I think you will.